Hello Facebook ads people, I'm Konstantinos and today I'm going to answer one of your questions. So, the question is coming from Federico Rezende. Great content, thank you. For the dynamic ads, do you have your creatives in a single format, example one-on-one, or do you use different formats for the same creatives also? Let me answer that. When it comes to dynamic creatives, I'm using most of the times 1:1 ratio, 1080 by 1080 for images and for videos. For videos, I'm not using videos more than 1 minute. But these are the general guidelines. Let's analyze a little bit more about the dynamic creatives and the combos that you can do. I don't like to use videos with images together. The reason that I'm doing that is because I believe that, I'm sure about it, I know that it's working like this. When you're having a video, even 1 second is considered engagement, okay? But the image, the engagement is when someone clicks, comments, and does this kind of stuff. So it's not fair to put a video with an image. Why? Because initially, the dynamic ads are working like this. They are having the best creative, which is having the most engagement, to actually take more budget and then continue spending. That means that you should put them separately. Now, when it comes to dimensions, keep in your mind that you have to put, when you're going to put square, you can target all the placements, feeds and stories together. If you have a lot of budget and you want to break your funnel more, you can do one campaign with stories, one campaign which is going to have portrait size, don't use 1:1 there, just use the portrait size. If you want to do feeds and stories, use the square, and if you want to do just feed, use the square again. You're having all of these different options and don't mix them together, videos and images. I hope that this answers your question. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to be creative and be consistent.